How's it going, YouTube? My name is Rick. I own Dynamic Interiors and I am a remodeling specialist here in Anchorage, Alaska. I've decided to start my own channel to help some of you do-it-yourselfers build some stuff. And along with doing small projects, I also do large stuff, and I will be making some step-by-step videos to help you guys at home. Today I'm helping out a friend and working out of my usual scope and building him a fence around his chicken coop. I already built a smaller enclosure, but he'd like it to be longer since he got several more chickens. So first I'll show you his beautiful garden and our weather we're having in Anchorage, Alaska. This is beautiful garden, and this is rain for our fall weather. And his chicken coop is right up there, and that's the enclosure I built him originally. I'm extending it probably by about 50 feet. Pretty easy to do. We're just hammering in some T-posts, and I'm going to go through and reinforce it and put some chicken wire and wire tie it, and I will post some videos of that. It's kind of hard in the rain right now to film it. Until then, we can check out the one I already built. Pretty simple. Sledgehammer, some T-posts. It's all from Home Depot, stuff you can go grab. Some wire ties. I used some PVC and some couplers to, well, some pipe. Might not be PVC necessarily. To build this nice little gate. It's spring-loaded so the chickens can't get out. Has a little bit of flap at the bottom so you could bend it for different snow heights. They vary. It's pretty simple. The rest of the gate will be pretty simple too, but it's raining kind of hard. So while you join me, I'll show you this beautiful building right here. You can see the two different colors. This is a new building I added on. It's actually a swimming pool room. And I spent about 3 months here building this from the ground up. And it turned out gorgeous. So let's take a look inside. Sorry, my phone's facing me, so you're gonna have to enjoy my face as well. Here's a nice little entry deck, double door that I put in. We also tinted all the windows for energy efficiency and also privacy. All right, so gotta go to my truck and get the key. Starting off this video, fantastic. Just a little extra FaceTime you get with me. I've done a lot of stuff around this building. He actually owns a home for special needs adults that he takes care of. I do all the maintenance on it and take care of him. He's also a good friend of mine. So I've done a lot here. Replaced doors, replaced all the windows, gonna do the decks, paint the inside. I've painted several of the apartments. And like I said, I will be posting step-by-step tutorial videos for you folks at home to be able to not only be more efficient, but do things correctly so you don't have to worry about getting a callback. Or, I apologize, you don't have to worry about calling a contractor to come in and fix what you already worked on, because we all know second time is more expensive. So I appreciate some subscribes and likes, and feel free to comment on a video you'd like to see. And I will do my best to address that. I do a variety of things, including framing, windows, doors, minor electrical, tile, and I will teach you from the bottom up. I'll make sure, just like all my laborers know, that you are building it correctly, using proper fasteners, using proper waterproofing, products that will stand up to your job. And I grabbed the wrong key, so I will be back. Thanks. Stay tuned.